Hello, boys and girls. So today we're going to work on learning about the letter X. I know a lot of you know the letter X, and just like all the other books, when we read it, the title of this book is All About X. Read it with me. All About X. So in the introduction to X, we talked about a few different things that have the X sound in it, in those words. Or that X, as in X is for X-ray, so that X in this word makes the X sound. And then X is for fox. At the end of fox is that X sound. In the word X-ray, it makes the X sound. So X is for X-ray and X is for fox. So it makes a difference if it's at the beginning or ending of the word, the sound that it makes. Your job on this page is to trace the X. If you notice, the uppercase X starts at the headline, and it's a slanty line all the way down to the foot line, and then you move over and do a slanty line the opposite direction, and they cross right about the belt line. And then you do the same thing with a lowercase x. It's exactly the same, only it's smaller. It starts at the belt line and goes down to the foot line, and then you move over a little bit and slant the opposite way. And then in about the middle of the belt line and the foot line is where those two slanty lines cross. All right, so on the next page, if we read the words, this is a sight word, I can write X. So your job again is to trace and then fill up this line with X's. So I will trace, and I'll do it just the way that I told you to do. So do you see how they cross right about at the belt line? I start at the top because that's where we start our letters, and I make a slanty line down from the headline to the foot line, and then I move over just a little ways. Do you see how that's probably maybe a little bit bigger than a finger space for you? And so you move over about a finger space, and then you make a slanty line down in the opposite direction. The lowercase x is the same. So we start at the top for both of them. So I make a slanty line down, and then I pick up, come over a little ways, and make a slanty line down. The reason being is you have a lot more control when you start at the top and pull down. So I can write X. Don't forget to leave finger spaces in between your X's. Do your best. And then this one, you're going to be a letter detective. I can find X. So I see just at a glance 3 X's that you'll need to find and circle. Then on the back page today, if you watched the introduction video, or if you were in the live Zoom, you will know some things that have the X sound or the X sound in them. And you can draw a picture and label it on the back. All about